to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carlie. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. So, today's video is going to be a Primark haul. Yay! I went to Primark shopping for the first time since obviously it's shut. I went yesterday with my mum and it wasn't busy. There was no queues going down the road, no nothing like that. We waited like 2 minutes in the queue and we went in. And when you go in, they have like little hand sanitizer stations where you can like obviously put hand sanitizer on your hands and all that kind of stuff, and they only let like a certain amount of people in like at a time. So first things that I got quite a few of. Also, I'm going to be trying on the items today, so it's like a try on haul. So the first things I got were these laser cut socks. I use these under like all my slip-on trainers and shoes. So does my mum, so we just got like loads of packets. So we could have like some each. I got them in white and black, and you get 3 for £2.50. And then the next item were these short length legging gym short things, because I've been wanting some shorts for the gym for ages. Yeah, these are like half, they come up to like just before your knee, and yeah, they're really nice. I used them for the first time this morning. I bought 2 pairs, by the way. So these were £6, and yeah, size 6 to 8 in there. Alice Living X Primark range, apparently. I'll stand back here so you can see. But yeah, they're just, obviously they're just black. They've got a nice little bit of detailing down the side. And then, yeah, they're nice on the waist. That's what they look like from the back. Got the same kind of details. And yeah, they come up to just before my knee, but I'm short, so if you're tall they'll probably come up a little bit shorter. And yeah, perfect. So the next item I've got was these really cute sand colour shorts. They're so nice. They do them in like khaki green as well, and I really wanted to get those, but they didn't have my size. So in these shorts I've got size 10, and they're £7. And yeah, they're just really cute. I love them. So I'm going to show you what they look like on now. So these are the shorts I was talking about. So they're just very nice. They've got the pocket detail in here and here, and a little brown or black button here. And it's a zip up fastening. Yeah, so this is from the front. This is what they look like from the back. And yeah, they're really cute. I love them. Great purchase. Right, so next, I really wanted to get a pair of denim shorts. And I looked everywhere, and all the ones I seen were always too short, or I didn't like the style. So when I went into Primark, I actually found these really cute shorts. They're called the Mum Short High Waist, and I got a size 10. I did buy a size 8 too, but the size 10 is what fits me. And they're made of sustainable cotton, and they're £10. So yeah, I love these shorts. They're really cute. I love the colour, and yeah, they're just very flattering. So these are the denim shorts I just spoke about, and I like the little turn ups at the bottom. And yeah, nice little pockets here. There's 2 pockets at the back. Yeah, 2 pockets at the back. So this is what they look like from the back. I need to iron up this bit though, because it's falling down a little bit. But yeah, I love these. These are shorts if you want to get them. Be quick. Oh, they do different colours too. They do like a dark blue, and I think they have a white pair, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this was the colour I liked. They also do like a smooth one, so it doesn't have like the denim texture, but I like the denim texture, so that's why I got these. And yeah, I got rid of them other denim shorts I had straight away when I bought these, because I just love them. So the next items I got were some little cute shorts. They look like this, really cute. I got them in pink and the navy, and the pink ones say like a little cute Malibu thing, and then the blue ones say a cute little Brooklyn thing. And you know what these really remind me of? Hollister shorts. These are so like Hollister shorts but for a really good cheap price. These were £6 each, and I've got size 6 to 8 in these, and honestly I love them. They're so nice material. They're quite thick, not too thick though. They're like, I don't know how to explain it. Just wet myself in the eye with a bloody thing. But yeah, really cute. I love them. I'm gonna try them on. They've got little cute pockets and all. I love them. This is what the shorts look like. So they're little, obviously these are the blue ones that I've tried on. But yeah, I like the length of these as well because they're not up my arse either. So, you know, well done Primark. That's all I can say, mate. But yeah, really cute. I love the material. Really comfortable. Just nice, really. Only thing I would say is if you are going to wear these, maybe wear some no VPL knickers. Just because they do show a little VPL. And you don't really want that, do you? If you're going along and you're on the beach or whatever. Or anywhere really. It's just not comfortable, is it? But yeah, got a little tie here that you can do up. Cute. Yeah, I just love them. They're like a real good dupe for Hollister. I can't say it enough, but Hollister shorts, this is what they remind me of. Honestly. Don't go to Hollister, go Primark. £6, mate. I was going to get the white pair as well, but I'll show you why I didn't in the end. So yeah, love them. £6 each. What a bargain. Go and get them. So the reason I didn't get the other shorts in white is because I picked up these other shorts which were right next to them, which I really like the style of too. I could have probably picked up the white ones as well because you can't ever have many shorts, can you? If I want to, I will because they're only cheap. But these are also really cute shorts. They were £5 and I got them in a size 6 to 8 again. And they're just really nice material. I would say they're more cream than white, but anyway. They've got like a nice little ruffle at the top and 2 little strings where you can like pull it and make it tighter. And yeah, I love them. I love the colour. Another bargain. You could probably pay like £15 for these in Topshop or something. I just decided to go and buy some in my trusty Primark. So yeah, try these on for you now to show you what they look like. Yeah, so this is what they look like, the shorts. Very cute. Love the colour. Little drawstring there. And then the back. Nice length again. I'd say about the VPL knickers as well with these. Because you don't want a thick like knicker line. You just don't. I mean, yeah. Lovely. Oh, I don't know if they had them in any different colours actually, these. I couldn't find these in any actually different colours actually. No. I only found this colour of these, so maybe they do other colours, but I didn't see them, so yeah. If they do, you can let me know down in the comments, but yeah. These don't have any pockets though, like the other ones, so they're more like jersey material. Is that the right word to use? Okay, yeah, I'm just going to use it, but yeah. So cute. So my next item, well, they come together as like, they're not a pack, but they're like in the same section. So I've got these 2 tops. If you didn't know I like straps already, I like straps. As you can see, I've bought 2 strap tops and I'm wearing one. Lol. Yeah, so basically, I found these tops, yeah, but they were like that stretchy tight thing. And I don't necessarily always like that. I wanted these to kind of be more, you know, just easy, flowy kind of tops. I mean, I'll definitely have to tuck them in because they're very long. But yeah, I looked at like the 8 to 12, no, 10 to 12, and it was so tiny. Was it 10 to 12? No, it must have been 8 to 10. I looked at the 8 to 10, it was so small. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get I'm going to get the 10 to 12. Might be a bit big for me round the bottom area. But yeah, it fits around my top area where my boobs are, fine. And yeah, we'll have to tuck them in because they are a bit big around the bottom and long. But love the pattern and, you know, great price, £3.50. Can't go wrong, can ya? And then I've got the same size in this pattern as well. This one's a bit shorter, to be honest. This one was the first one I picked up that was really tiny. But yeah, got a medium in this too, and this one is also £3.50. And yeah, love the pattern. So this is the first top, as you can see. Fits me the top fine, and as I said, it's quite big round the bottom. So I'd probably just like tuck it in. They think that if you're a size 8, you've got no boobs. Well, clearly I have, so make clothes for me. Anyway, rant over. So we have this one. I think, to be honest, I think this stripe is my favourite one out of the two, just because I love sage and it goes nice with the other colours. Obviously, I told you, big around the bottom, fits me up the top. And they also do them in like 2 different colours, 2 different other stripy colours as well. So yeah, one more item left in the haul to show you. So my last item is another t-shirt. Now this is a prime example of how Primark sizing is just off the scale really. So I've got this top which is really, really cute. It says put yourself first, and it's pink and cute, and it looks like this, yeah. I got this in a size 4 to 6. I am not a 4 to 6, but just look how big that is. Please explain. So I literally was like, oh, I'll get away with an 8 in that. Picked up the 8 to 10, and my mum was like, yeah, that's going to be swamping you. So I was like, okay. So I picked up this one, and yeah, lovely. This was, how much was this? £4. Yeah, and it's made with organic cotton, Primark cares. I just really like the colour. So this is the top, as you can see. This is not a size 4 to 6. This is, you know, quite baggy around the bottom. Yeah, and it fits me across the boss fine, so it's fine. I also like it with these shorts. I think it goes really nice. The colours I like. And I just like the cute message. Also, if you can see these balloons around my room, which are there, they're in my room because it was my birthday on Wednesday. I turned 23. And yeah, my parents just got me a really cute happy birthday and loads of these balloons when I came downstairs on Wednesday morning, which is really cute. Loved it. It was a lovely surprise. Yeah. They're amazing, they are, my mum and dad, so just wanted to say thank you for that, mum and dad, if you're watching. So everyone, that was everything I had to show you for my Primark haul. I'm really glad, I mean, I'm saying you're really glad you enjoyed it. I don't know if you've enjoyed it, do I? But anyway, if you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. So leave me any comments, what your Primark was like, or how it was like you going shopping for the first time. And yeah, let me know what items you would recommend from Primark. Enjoy life, and yeah, have fun. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Oh, I can't link everything below. It's Primark. Idiot. I got these from Primark in Bromley as a reference, just in case any Primarks have anything different. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.